guys, I hope you all are safe and in good health. I would like to thank each one of you who responded to my previous video, and thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I have divided the video into two parts because I found the video very lengthy. So I have divided into two parts, and the first is what are the things we need to know before we step into the diet. Okay, because what normally happens, we start our diet, okay, but we don't lose weight, or there are certain things that come in between. So we need to know how to handle those things, those obstacles that come on our way. We need to know how to handle them. And there are a lot of things, there are little things that we need to know, but these little things, if you know, it's going to be, it might be very helpful for you to continue the process, because it's a long way to go. Yeah. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about today is our diet plan. Now, whenever we hear about a diet plan, uh, the first thing that comes in our mind is we're going to have salads, boiled foods, no oil or no carbs, and we kind of put a lot of restrictions. Okay, we put a lot of restrictions, and we tend to have a very bad relationship with food. And then there are a lot of people, they think कि मैं ये खाऊंगी तो मैं ये हो जाऊंगी, मैं वो खाऊंगी तो वो हो जाऊंगी. तो एक food, there should be a very healthy and good relationship between you and the food. There should be, you should not create a bad relationship with the food, that if I eat this, no, I'm not going to eat carbs because I'm going to get fat. No, I'm not going to have tea because I'm going to get this. So ऐसे don't keep any certain restrictions. Okay. And example, you take a person, me. Supposing if I didn't eat a biryani, I have restricted myself, I'm not going to eat biryani for a month. Okay. So if I have restricted myself for that, and I have kept biryani away from me, now the day when I get biryani, okay, plate has been served in front of me, and I look at it and I smell it, oh my god, I cannot control it, and I keep eating and eating. I so love the taste. I eat like a glut, and I eat more than I am supposed to. जितना मेरा पेट में जगह नहीं है, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा I eat and eat. Now what happens if you eat for a day? It's okay, ठीक है. Now I so love the taste कि wow, कितना बढ़िया, कितना टेस्टी था. So what I do is, चल कल भी खाते हैं. The next day also I eat. Wow, yaar, it's so tasty. And I eat and repeat this repeat करते you forget about your diet, and you feel like, oh my god, वो कितना boring diet, I'm not gonna follow that. So don't restrict yourself so much that you tend to give up after a certain period of time. Instead of that, you need to have a sustainable diet and a proper balanced diet where everything is included. Junks are included. अगर आप 7 days में, if you eat with 7 days में, you have a lot of meals. So if one day if you eat your favorite food, it could be noodles, it could be biryani, it could be anything that is your favorite junk food. If you eat once if you eat once in a week for one meal, it's not going to affect you. But what you have to remember is, after eating that, you don't have to continue that every day, but instead get back to your diet once again, right? So the next question that I come across is, how many kgs did you lose in how many months? So this is one of the most frequent questions that I am asked. So let me tell you, I have lost 16 kgs in 3 months, which is very I thank myself and I thank my dietitian for doing that for me, and I'm happy with my results. So basically what we tend to do is, we compare our weight loss journey with someone else. When we see someone else has lost their journey, we try to ask them, how many did you lose? Okay, now if my body type is different, your body type is different, you can lose 20 kgs in 3 months, or you can also lose 10 to 5 kgs in 3 months. So don't expect the same results for two different people. So don't compare your weight loss journey with anyone else. Patience and consistency is the main key to achieve anything in the world, I find. You want to achieve anything in the world, it requires patience and consistency. So these two are the main important things that you need to follow for anything, right? So don't compare yourself with anyone else, because everybody is different. Everybody has got their own weight, has got their own lifestyle, has got their own medical conditions. Some people can have medical conditions, and so everybody is different. So everybody has it requires their own time. So give your body the time and don't rush into things, right? The next thing that I would like to discuss about is motivation. Yes, motivation. It's a very, very big word, because due to this motivation, we think of starting the journey and start dreaming about it and start thinking about it with the motivation. बट जब ये मोटिवेशन नहीं मिलता है, when we lack of motivation, we step back and then finally we give up, right? And this motivation, how does this motivation come? This motivation, you get motivated by looking at someone else's journey, right? आप किसी और को देखकर इंस्पायर्ड होते हैं, आप किसी और का जर्नी देखकर आप you start getting the motivations and those positive vibes. Why do you lack of motivation? Why do you lose interest? And why do you finally give up? क्यों होता है? Why? This happens because you are expecting motivation and inspiration from others. It's very nice if you get inspired and motivation from others, but don't expect that motivation like throughout your life, right? Get inspired by your own self. Get inspired by your own get motivated by your own self. And one more thing, very important thing I want to say, no one in the world has got the power to motivate you and to make you do things unless you don't want to. And no one in the world has got the power to make you do things or motivate you not to do it if you don't want to. So it's only you who can decide whether आपको करना है या नहीं. अगर आप नहीं करना चाहते हो तो आपको कोई फोर्स नहीं कर सकता है. Thing that I would like to discuss about is when you hear people say I'm on a diet, okay, you probably think about कि diet तो 2 weeks 3 weeks या कुछ months के बाद है. उसके बाद after I come down to my own goal or own target, उसके बाद तो मैं जी भर के खाऊं, right? So guys, you need to think about your health rather than your weight. The day when you start thinking about your health instead of your weight loss आराम से हो जाएगा, आराम से. Please throw away chips, cold drinks, packaged foods और एनी जिसमें बहुत शुगर कंटेंट ज़्यादा होता है या मैदा. Throw away these food because this is not only bad for the weight gain that you have, but it is also very 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 bad for your health. So you have to start thinking from the viewpoint of your health. You have to concentrate on your health more than your weight, because if you concentrate about your health, you will automatically lose your weight. So the next thing that I would like to discuss about is how do you control yourself if there are people or friends or anyone having junks in front of you every single day. How do you control it? अभी कोई बैठा है सामने और पिज़्ज़ा खा रहा है या एनी ऑफ योर फेवरेट फूड, या बिरयानी खा रहा है या नूडल्स खा रहा है. ओ माय गॉड, उफ, स्मेल आ रहा है एंड लाइक इट्स लाइक ओ माय गॉड, मुझे तो ये खाना ही चाहिए यार. कैसे कंट्रोल करो? मुंह घुमा कर जीभ लबलबाई. How do you control? Okay. So basically how you have to control these habits, as I told you earlier also, that these are all you have to be mentally prepared. Okay, mentally prepared तो होना ही पड़ेगा, because अगर आप एक दिन खाओ it's absolutely fine, but अगर आप like if you eat every day, you're not going to lose weight, not okay, and it's not healthy. So basically अगर if there is someone who is there beside you who's eating every day junk खा रहा है and you don't know what. So number one thing that you need to do is you need to let your friend or any other person, you need to let them know कि I am on a diet, so please stay like don't eat junks in front of me because it's a bit difficult for me to control it, right? So you have to let them know, and if trust me, अगर वो अच्छे friends हैं, if they are your good friends, they're going to help you instead of tempting you. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to do. Second thing that you can try doing is you can try to convince your friend that this is not only good for my health, but it is also not good for yours. So if you try convincing your friend, okay, to not to have it, so it's going to help both of you to stay healthy. Third thing that you can do is try making your food tasty. Okay, there are many healthy options that are very tasty. ओके, अगर ट्रस्ट मी, अगर मेरा खाना जो मेरा डाइट प्लान है या जो भी है, अगर वो आई हैव मेड इट टेस्टी अकॉर्डिंग टू माई चॉइस. आपका प्रेफरेंस अलग होगा, माई प्रेफरेंस इज़ डिफरेंट. सो लाइक व्हाट आई डू इज़ आई मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ चीला या जो भी है. मुझे ऑरिगेनो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, सो आई जस्ट स्प्रिंकल अ बिट ऑफ ऑरिगेनो एंड अ बिट ऑफ चिली फ्लेक्स सो दैट वो पिज़्ज़ा वाला फ्लेवर आए. सो आई जस्ट हैव दैट. सो You can try a lot of different healthy and tasty options, right? So try to make your food healthy and tasty, because if अगर वो tasty हो तब आपको उतना ज़्यादा लालच या उतना ज़्यादा टेम्पटेटिंग नहीं लगेगा, right? So try to make it tasty, then only you will be able to continue it, right? And by tasty I don't mean putting lots of oil and all, okay? The fourth thing that you need to know is how do you control the cravings. Now in a day you can have 4 to 5 times, or maybe maximum to maximum 6 times you can have cravings in a day, okay? And one craving can last for 3 minutes. So 6 into 3 is equal to 18. So 18 minutes is 18 minutes in a day you have to control yourself. 18 minutes. Now are you that strong enough to control that? You have that much of power to control yourself for 18 minutes? You have to control yourself for 18 minutes. And this method is not only applied for the weight loss, for people who are into bad smoking habits, okay? This is a tried and tested method, so you can also try into these habits. So this 3 minutes में आपको क्या करना है, either you control it, ठीक है, या either you control it by yourself, or what you do is what I used to personally do is I used to go aside and I used to just take my finger and just put it on the center of your this forehead, and like just close my eyes and just sit down in silent for 3 minutes, okay? Just sit down, and after 3 minutes, like it's like a kind of meditation that you do. So 3 मिनट के लिए वो करो आराम से, it goes off, it just goes off, ठीक है? So you either do this, or you either have a strong willpower to control yourself for 18 minutes, and I'm sure you guys are strong enough to at least handle yourself for 18 minutes. उतना तो mentally strong तो होना पड़ेगा, and you should be mentally strong. So thank you for watching the video till here. I hope these tips help you in your weight loss journey, and I will also be soon uploading the diet plan. So stay tuned, and God bless you and have a great day. Bye bye.